One comment, let's not be entertained. Instead of further escalating yung conflict that as of this moment seems irreconcilable. Kung hindi man natin na maka-intervene to at least reconcile the differences, at least man lang, let's all help to de-escalate the tension. Kasi after all, sabi nga kanina sa speech ko, I quoted Lee Kuan Yew, when elephants fight, it is the grass that suffers. Tayo yung grass, the Filipino people, the country. Yung two elephants, yun yung two highest elected officials of the land. It was unimaginable more than 2 years ago that this will even occur, this will even happen. So it's really sad for the country. Kasi AmCham ito, Chamber of Commerce, and I asked the executive director, what's your sentiment? Parang speaking on behalf of the possible investors. Sabi niya, if I were a possible or potential investor in this country and witnessing all this, the ruckus, the conflict, the exchange of words na nangyayari, will I still pursue kung ano yung prospective na investment na gusto kong gawin dito sa Pilipinas? Of course, they will have second thoughts. And that's what I'm telling AmCham, the members of AmCham, na pagtulungan na lang na at least man lang, at the very least, ma-de-escalate yung tension between the two. Do not know the ins and outs, but yung knowledge ko is as limited as your knowledge. Kasi umasa lang tayo sa what we read in the papers, what we hear or see on television. And I just hope na we can find that middle ground for the sake of the country, for the sake of our fellow Filipinos. House, but the Senate. Kasi hindi pa naman enrolled yung Senate dito sa conflict. Yung House, medyo tall order. I hope the other leaders of the country, specifically Senate President Escudero, to find a way para hindi man mapag-usap, pwede mo nang ceasefire na muna, tama na muna. Dahil mahirap talaga for our country.